So we have about 80% of the contaminations that are unknown to the database. So you see that we found a very high percentage of chemical compounds that contaminated the vaccine in an amount that is not anymore residual. So we have very high amount of compounds that we don't even know what they are. Means that they are degradation products probably, or products that are coming from a reaction of formaldehyde or cyanide with the contamination that are inside. They create new compounds that we don't even know what they are. So the worst vaccine that we study in terms of contamination is for sure Priorix Tetra. So trying to look for rubella, we had the surprise to find the adventitious viruses. These 3 viruses, they are cancerogenic. There are 3 viruses cancerogenic and active also, because FDA and EMA requested to the manufacturer to eliminate these viruses. They know that they are there. They said, we know that they are there. We found the traces of human in mouse DNA, but you see how many viruses there are inside this vaccine. We have also a mouse leukemia virus inside the vaccine Gardasil 9. When we wanted to do the second level of screening, we found a particular compound that is called APDB, and this is an illegal amphetamine. And you need to consider that when you complete the calendar of vaccination, normally a child has about 4 milligrams of aluminum in his body, and this amount is not going to be eliminated. It's going to stay inside the body. But in the meantime, vaccines are still in the market, and they're still causing a lot of dangers to the children.